The first sign of cracked heels is having areas of dry, thickened skin known as calluses around the rim of your heels. As you walk, the fat pad under your heels expand. This causes your calluses to crack. Cracked heels are a common foot problem. This can occur in both adults and children, but it seems to affect women more often than men. It has observed that for most people, having cracked heels isn't serious. It may cause discomfort when going barefoot, while in some cases, cracks in the heels can become very deep and cause pain. So in today's video, we will talk about home treatments for cracked heels. The first is over-the-counter heel balms or thick moisturizers. Heel balms are the first line of treatment for cracked heels. These balms contain ingredients to moisturize, soften, and exfoliate dead skin. Here, the important point is to look out for balms with such ingredients like urea in flexitol heel balm, salicylic acid in carousel, and alpha hydroxy acids in amlectin. These balms are easily available over the counter drugstore or online. While the reminders for using heel balms is apply heel balm in the morning to increase skin elasticity before you start your day. Try to moisturize your heels 2 to 3 times a day and wear shoes that protect your heels. The other important treatment to treat cracked heels is soak and exfoliate your feet. The skin around cracked heels is often thicker and drier than the rest of your skin. This skin tends to split when you apply pressure. While soaking and moisturizing your feet can help with this problem. The foot soak directions include keep your feet in lukewarm, soapy water for up to 20 minutes. Use a loofah, foot scrubber, or pumice stone to remove any hard, thick skin and gently pat your feet dry. Afterwards, use any heel balm, thick moisturizer, or apply petroleum jelly over your feet to lock in the moisture. It's best to put on socks or heel sleeves afterwards to treat dry skin more effectively. The amazing coconut oil is often recommended for dry skin, eczema, and psoriasis. It can help your skin retain moisture. Coconut oil has anti-inflammatory and antimicrobial properties that may help your cracked heels, particularly if they are prone to bleeding or infections. The other wonderful ingredient is honey. Honey may work as a natural remedy for cracked heels. The antimicrobial and antibacterial properties of honey can help heal and cleanse wounds and moisturize the skin. You can also use honey as a foot scrub after a soak or apply it as a foot mask overnight. The other effective treatment for cracked heels is to seal moisture. For this purpose, you can use shea butter, olive oil, paraffin wax, glycerin, or mashed bananas. These natural and powerful ingredients act as moisturizing and softening agents. The other option includes little DIYs. DIYs proves to be very effective against cracked heels, which includes foot soak with vinegar and oatmeal mixed with any oil for exfoliation. So these are the wonderful picks to heal and get rid of cracks. Hope you liked the video. If so, give it a huge thumbs up, share with your friends and subscribe my channel. Thank you.